In this video, we are going to cover reasons to use the Navigate platform. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first reason is access to relevant data. So by using Navigate, you will have access to predicted levels of support needed by each of your students, success markers that will allow you to indicate whether a student is on track to complete a program successfully, the withdrawal DF rate for each student, whether or not they've repeated courses. You'll also be able to see the level of engagement that students have with vital student services, such as career and academic advising. In addition to that, you will be able to use the advanced search tool in order to form targeted outreach, which brings us to our next reason. Because you have access to all of this relevant data using Navigate, you are able as a faculty member to develop some really intentional outreach to students. First of those outreach efforts is being able to issue an early alert, which allows students to be connected to support services that they need, whether it's the library, student wellness center, or our career and academic advising center. Navigate allows you to identify these students and issue alerts easily. You are also able to create targeted campaigns of your own. So if you have students that you believe based off of your interactions with them or the data that you've reviewed are in need of meeting with you personally, you're able to create targeted appointment campaigns. In addition to that, we have new campaigns which are able to be sent out through email, and you'll be able to track the interactions that students have with the material that you send out. So if you send out a hyperlink in an email, you are able to go into Navigate and you're able to see which of the students actually opened the email, which of the students actually clicked on the hyperlink as well. And in addition to that, you're able to collaborate more easily with your campus partners by being able to send progress reports. Lastly, you are able to check the results. So you can use campaign data to track the percentage of student engagement. You can pull reports to connect your specific outreach efforts to our student retention and persistence rates. And you're able to make data-driven decisions with students at the center. So our reason for using Navigate is very simple. Navigate allows us access to timely data in order to identify the missing pieces of the puzzle for our students and develop targeted outreach that we hope will increase student interactions intentionally and that will increase overall student engagement, allowing them to feel more deeply connected to the college, because we know that feeling connected and having a sense of belonging will ultimately lead to student success.